I love the shoes, love the outfit. ये आपके लिए मेडिटेशन का
इतने सिंसियर चीज बोल रहा था मैं सूरज बाबू के बारे में और जूते ने डिस्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया मेरे को मतलब कि मैं बोला कि भाई इसका लाइसेंस है कि नहीं पहनने का ये देखो
But I don't know whether they can see this. अरमान सर एक बार ही पैर ऐसे करो ना कैसा रहा?
I would actually like to start by saying thank you to Suraj sir, Salman bhai, for giving me this opportunity. I always wanted to be a part of the Rajshris and Suraj Bajatias since I've seen Maine Pyar Kiya. It's been a pleasure being a part of this. There are no words that I can express. This has been one of the best production houses that I've worked with, the best director that I've worked with, and of course the best actor right here.
And that's a lot to say because he's worked with his father a lot.
Yeah, exactly.
Home production से ज़्यादा ये home production है.
I've enjoyed it thoroughly, and I wish that Suraj ji and Raj Productions gives me a chance again.
Wonderful. You know, I love this guy, and I hope that he continues to get so much work. Big round of applause for Deepak Dobriya and for Swara Bhaskar as well. So happy to see good talent get great situations. अभी मैं आपको ना इसके साथ में कुछ पूछवाने वाला हूँ. सलमान सर सामने हैं. मैं जब सलमान सर को देखता तो यूं हो जाते हैं हम लोग यार सर हम पर भी मेहरबान हो जाए. तो आप तो सर के साथ आ गए थे तो पता है ये एक्सपीरियंस. सलमान सर बोल.
अभी
वैसे भी पहले पूरी जो पिक्चर.
देखिए ऐसा है कि यार मैं अलग-अलग किस्म की फिल्में कर रहा हूँ. लोग ऑफ बीट सिनेमा की बात करते हैं, वर्ल्ड सिनेमा की बात करते हैं. मैं सिर्फ एक बात ये पूछना चाहता हूँ किसी भी एक आम शख्स से कि वो पहली फिल्म है, वो पहली फिल्म कौन सी है जो आपने अपने पैसों से देखी? तो मेरी वो पहली फिल्म है मैंने प्यार किया. वहां से मेरी जर्नी शुरू होती है और मैं 17 बार देख चुका था, 16 बार देख चुका था और 17वीं बार देखने के लिए मेरे पास पैसे नहीं थे. तो मैंने अपनी हिस्ट्री की और हिंदी की बुक्स तराजू पे रख दी थी और ₹2.5 मिला था और मैंने 17वीं बार वो फिल्म देखी थी. तो आज मैं उसी टीम के साथ काम कर रहा हूँ, राजश्री और सलमान भाई के साथ, और ये मेरा सौभाग्य है और बहुत ही मज़ा आया और फैमिली है पूरी और प्यार ही प्यार है इस फिल्म में.
वो तो सर पूरा दिख ही रहा है. बहुत खूबसूरत एनवायरनमेंट है और खूबसूरती के साथ हम खत्म तो नहीं कर रहे लेकिन स्वरा ब्यूटीफुल सेटअप, इट्स लुकिंग फैंटास्टिक. जस्ट फील्स नाइस टू बी पार्ट ऑफ सच अ ह्यूज सेटअप. सो यू बीन ट्रैवलिंग ऑल ओवर, यू सीइंग ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ सिनेमा एंड नाउ सलमान सर का जादू अलोंग विद सूरज जी.
आई थिंक सोनम टॉक्ड अबाउट कैसे बचपन से उनका सपना था सलमान सर की हीरोइन बनने का. एंड आई थिंक इंडिया में हर लड़की का होता है. मेरा ही दिमाग शायद थोड़ा खराब था कि सलमान सर की बहन बनने का सपना देखा मैंने शायद. No, I'm just joking. I'm very proud and honored to be here. I think that perhaps it's a very good-looking film. Suraj sir's film, Salman sir's film, Rajshri Productions. Everything is beautiful and big. I think they've had to work the hardest on making me look beautiful and part of this family. So, but I think that it's been wonderful. And मुझे याद है एक दिन हम एक song shoot कर रहे थे and मैं खड़ी हुई थी और सेटअप चल रहा था and सूरज सर was standing next to me and I just had एक वो moment होता है ना realization का कि दिल्ली से उठ के एक लड़की आ गई and I'm like shit यार मैं सलमान खान की फिल्म में हूँ, सूरज बजाती मुझे डायरेक्ट कर रहे, क्या बात है. So that's really how I feel about this.
Casting was the most difficult because
Don't tell this story. It is not a flattering story.
ये story वो मीडिया को जरूर आप बताना. लेकिन no film is complete, especially your films without music. And I know that Bhushan ji walked back over there. Bhushan ji, can we call you back on stage so that you also may be able to speak? Yes, there is a spot for you, sir. Now, Bhushan ji, this pressure is the most on music. क्योंकि पहले फिल्म म्यूजिक से ही बिकती है. Let's put it that way. People love the film with the music, and उसके बाद teasers आते हैं, the promos आते हैं. So you've got a great eye for music, and you managed to make this empire with that. Being attached with Suraj ji also and Salman sir, of course, just an experience of that.
This is my first time to Suraj ji और Rajshri Production के साथ I'm working, so I'm very very thankful to them कि first time उन्होंने मुझे अपना म्यूज़िक मार्केट करने का मौका दिया. हमेशा वो सुपर गाने बनाते हैं और सलमान खान की फिल्म के लिए आपको म्यूज़िक की ज़रूरत वैसे नहीं होती है ओपनिंग के लिए, लेकिन गाने बहुत अच्छे हैं, फिल्म के साथ बहुत अच्छे जाते हैं, मेलोडियस हैं. So I'm very very excited about the whole thing.
I'm excited as well. I'm going to open up to the entire media. And If you can find the mics that are with you all, see there are 11 on stage, so just stand up and ask. The mics? Okay. Okay. So, first question.
Yeah, hi, I am from the Buzz Diary. My question is for
One
Salman
second,
sir.
one last.
One second. One second. Anand, that's Samaira Rao, again one of our key actors. Now she's here, so just
Big round of applause. You just have to put that on. Yeah, go ahead. Buzz Diary.
Yeah,
Go back.
my question is to Salman sir. Nobody plays Prem better than you. And you have played so many characters of Prem. Which is your favorite?
When Suraj Brajatia directs me as Prem, that is by far the best Prem I've ever done. Because you see him in me, you don't see me. So what you see of me is all him.
Thank you.
Hi sir. Suraj sir, this is Urvi here. To your
Extreme left, sir.
To your left.
Yeah, top
Right.
left.
Sir, recently Salman sir had said at the Hero trailer launch that one Suraj has always supported him and he wants to support another Suraj. What do you have to say about this compliment about Salman that he is giving?
He keeps saying this every time. But I've done nothing. I was nothing. He was nothing. Both of us had nothing to lose, nothing to win. Maybe it is the S that we share in our first names. I don't know.
My name is Anupam.
There's one girl, Shabina Dutt, who I cannot forget, who told me one day that there is a boy.
Shabana.
Shabana Dutt. There's a boy I've done an ad with. Maybe you like him as a hero. But honestly, Maine Pyar Kiya, he got not, he's here in front of me, not because of the actor, but because of that human being. Precisely, and that's what he is.
Salman con man.
Because of the person he is. So that's his credit. He is today much beyond all of us, but that's what he is. So this Suraj, that's always in his mind.
जी हाँ सूरज जी यहाँ बैठे सारे लोगों ने कहा कि भारतीयता आपकी फिल्मों में रती बती रहती है, लेकिन जो आपने अनकंडीशनल लव की बात कही या जो प्रेम की परिभाषा, वो आज की भागती दौड़ती जिंदगी में उतनी मासूम और खूबसूरत है जितनी आपकी फिल्मों में दिखाई देती है।
बस मैडम यही जंग है, because if you see we are all the same. At the bottom of our heart we are all the same. बस वो ऐसी भागा दौड़ी में we forget the simple things in life. So that is my biggest quest, to get back that values in some way or the other, not to let it, when I have this cast and when I have this subject where I can say it, I don't want to lose it. Because finally, at the end of, as you grow older and older, you realize that how happy your children are, that is all that matters.
आगे का एक्सटेंशन ये है कि आपके ऊपर इतना प्रेशर होता है, आप कैप्टन ऑफ द शिप हैं, और जैसा कि इन लोगों ने बताया कि आप बहुत शांति से, बहुत खूबसूरती से सारे चीज़ों को हैंडल कर रहे थे, तो वो किस तरह से कर पाया?
बहुत मैंने भी हीरोइनों को रुलाया है, आज के मैंने बहुत सब किया। नहीं, अब after all this, then you realize when actually मैंने doesn't remember.
No, I don't remember. What happened?
So I've done all that, but finally I realized कि चीखने चिल्लाने से कुछ नहीं होता. Because finally it is always you have to have. We all human beings. We all have our moods and everything. Finally, it is the creation. We are all fighting actually to create. Correct. So it doesn't matter if someone loses temper.
Salman.
Yes, he yelled.
Salman
In
from.
Maine Pyar Kiya, he yelled. His yelling ka hai. No, please don't do this now.
Hi, Salman. Towards your left. Hi. Salman, you just praised Suraj ji. Can we say that Suraj ji gets the best out of you as an actor?
As a person, and that translates on screen.
And one quality that you have imbibed as Prem in you.
See, all the movies that are doing right now is like when you see a Suraj Brajatia film and you come out of the theatre, you want to be that person. So while doing 150, 200 days of a movie, I try and get as much of that character into my own personality.
Salman sir, another question.
Rekha to Sonam, you worked with so many heroines. What do you have to say working with all of them?
Rekha ji was my bhabhi in the movie.
Fine, even as a bhabhi.
When she becomes my bhabhi, then I will tell.
Salman sir, towards your left. You played Prem 16 years back and you're returning back as Prem, as Suraj sir's Prem now. In these few years, you've played different characters and you've tasted supreme success. How much have you missed being Prem? People have missed you as Prem on screen. How much
I
have
miss
you missed?
being Prem so much that I did a film called Ready with Anees Bazmi. We tried to make it a Suraj Barjatya film with Anees Bazmi kind of comedy. And it was called Prem in the film.
And how much have you missed being Suraj sir's Prem?
That much, that's why he did that film.
Naya hai.
Hi Salman.
My question is to Bhushan sir. Over here.
One sec. Yeah, so we'll stick to that. One sec. We'll stick to that left zone and then come to you. Yeah, go.
Music has played a very important role in all Suraj Barjatya films. And this film has 9 songs and you just have 40 days for the release. So how do you plan to market the music of the film?
We are planning every week now. Every week one song we are planning. So we have 5.
And when can we expect the full album to be out?
10th of October.
Thank you.
5 months after the release. The film is still in the theatres and not getting tickets.
Hi, my question is to Salman. Salman, in this film,
Actually, to the right.
in this film, we see you in 2 avatars. One is the innocent Prem, and one is a fighter who we hear is Vijay. Is that true? Do we get to see you in a double role in this film?
See, all these lying sawal Suraj Barjatya will give you.
Hello, मेरा सवाल सुनो.
Wait, you need to see the film. For that, I mean, that's our film. We can't open a film. We're not going to say there's 1 character, 2 characters, 3 characters. We're just going to say that you need to go and see the film.
Salman, also while you were shooting this film...
So please, remember that. And then do not let the difficult time hamper the release of the film. Because we worked a lot on that, in that difficult time, on that film. And I'm still going through it, no, I keep on going through it. That's my share of karma.
Hello, Sonam. Aarti Saxena.
अरे सवाल पूछो.
शरद सक्सेना साहब से कहे.
Aarti ji, आप दिखाई नहीं दे रही. Can you? She's again on the left side.